Welcome to 4638 Mammoth Lane, located in beautiful Oakley, California. This immaculate single-story home is a showstopper. Vaulted ceilings, spacious, elegant. Its light, bright appeal is gonna knock your socks off. I can't wait for you to see it. Come on in, let's take a look. Upon entry, you'll be greeted by an open, inviting front living area and a formal dining space, perfect for hosting special occasions. The tastefully updated kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring a functional center island and opening up to an expansive additional living room. This space is further enhanced by custom cabinetry, a charming fireplace insert, and surrounded by natural stone to create a cozy atmosphere. Designer lighting fixtures along with recessed lighting add a touch of sophistication to the home. There are 3 spacious guest bedrooms, ensuring ample space for family and friends. The fully updated guest bathroom showcases a stunning glass-enclosed shower, offering a luxurious bathing experience. The master primary suite is truly a private sanctuary, featuring a coffered ceiling, an ensuite bathroom with glass-enclosed shower, soaking tub, dual sink vanity, and a shiplap wall, all masterfully designed to create an incredible retreat. The backyard is an entertainer's dream, featuring a sparkling pool oasis with plenty of room for activities and socializing. The meticulously designed landscaping and pool lights create a magical ambiance in the evening, perfect for hosting memorable gatherings. This immaculate home is the ideal haven for anyone seeking a comfortable, stylish living space with exceptional amenities both indoors and out. What's great about the city of Oakley? It's a growing community that has developed into an amazing place to live, play, and enjoy. It's a short drive or BART ride to San Francisco, Oakland, and Berkeley. It's close to the streets of Brentwood, featuring shopping, incredible food options, and a deluxe movie theater. There are phenomenal restaurants, quick bite places, and coffee shops to satisfy every craving. Friday Night Bites is a regular event that will light up your palate with incredible cuisine and fun for all. Numerous parks and recreational events. Nearby are several amazing vineyards for you wine lovers. For those of you who are active, Oakley has a lot to offer. It's a bike-friendly and athletic community, miles of hiking trails, and you're at the Big Break regional shoreline with access to miles of delta waterways to wakeboard, wake surf, water ski, and some of the best fishing in the world. This community truly is a special place to call home, and it keeps getting better. Did I not tell you that this was absolutely amazing? I hope you love this home as much as I do, and this sparkling pool is waiting for some summertime fun and activities. If you'd like more information on this home, photos, a full 3D scan that you can view from anywhere in the world, go to the property website at 4638mammoth.com. And if you'd like to schedule a showing or you have any questions, give us a call. Take care.